Cadbury, one of the world's foremost chocolate makers, has announced it has to stop making chocolate, even with Easter right around the corner. Well, it must be for a really good reason, and I'm gonna tell you what that reason is here for you on I.O. What is happening? This is Inform Overload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte Dobre. If you're from the UK, you probably know about the severe water shortage that's happening right now. This week, millions of Brits were told to use as little water as possible. 12,000 homes in London had no water, and were forced to go to emergency bottled water sites to get the water they needed. And the reason for that is severe weather in the UK had a profound effect on pipes. The freezing temperatures followed by a quick melting caused pipes to burst in London, in the southeast, and now in the Midlands. Cadbury has had to stop production at its iconic Bourneville factory because the water supply to the area had to be cut. It's not only Cadbury that had to stop production. Jaguar Land Rover also had to shut down 2 of its UK plants because of water problems. Many workplaces, schools, and medical facilities face the threat of being shut down because of water issues. St. George's Mental Health Hospital frantically tweeted that they needed 500 bottles of water for their patients. So how long is this gonna last exactly? In a statement, Thames Water, Southern Water, Southeast Water, and Affinity Water said they are working to resolve the issues as fast as possible, but they urge people to use as little water as possible for the time being. A good way to conserve is to take a shower instead of a bath. So I know you're all wondering, does Cadbury being forced to stop production mean that you aren't going to have chocolate on Easter? Well, thankfully, Cadbury said they have plenty of stock available right now, and this disruption will likely only be temporary. Alrighty, I'm gonna respond to some comments now. Reese Olson said, she says certain words so weird. Yes, there's this thing called dialect. It means that people that are from different places say things differently. I am Canadian and I say certain words differently from Americans. Everybody has an accent. You Got No Jam said, hey Charlotte, did you dye your hair? I did not. I have never dyed my hair in my life. Introverse Unity said, I saw this on the news. Much better explanation, I.O. Hear that? We explain things better than the news. The video is over. Don't worry, there's a great I.O. playlist right over here with all of our most popular news videos on it. Be careful though, if you click it, you might go down the I.O. rabbit hole and it's a long way down. By the way, if you like this video, don't forget to show us some love by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. And if you're on social media, check out the description for both mine and I.O.'s social media handles.